In Trustwallet, changing the network involves adding or switching to different blockchains or networks to access specific cryptocurrencies or tokens. Here's a guide. Open Trustwallet. Launch the Trustwallet app on your mobile device. Access wallet settings. Tap on the icon representing your wallet or account at the bottom right corner of the screen to access the settings. Find networks or blockchain. Look for an option like networks, blockchain, or add network. This might be located within the wallet settings or the specific cryptocurrency settings. Add or change network. If you want to add a new network, select Add Network and provide the required details like the blockchain's name, symbol, and chain ID. To switch between existing networks, select the desired network from the available options. Confirm or save. After entering the necessary details or selecting the desired network, confirm the changes or save the newly added network. Accessing tokens. Once the network is added or changed, navigate back to your wallet and ensure that you select the correct network to access the respective tokens or cryptocurrencies associated with that network.